Hi everyone, if you're trying to play LEGO Batman Legacy of Dark Knight and you're having this error, sorry something went wrong. For solutions, please visit Anti Tamper. Then I'll show you how to fix this problem. So the first step is you want to head over to your Steam. On the top left, you'll see the Steam icon. You want to click it, head over to settings, go over to the downloads. Make sure that you clear the Steam download cache. You want to press clear cache over here. After you're done clearing the download cache, you want to scroll down and then you're able to see enable pre-caching. You want to make sure that this option is turned off. Then the next step is you want to right click on your game, head over to the properties, then install files. Make sure that you verify integrity of your game file. Then the next step is you want to open up your game directory. You want to go ahead and over to your Steam apps, Common Lego Batman. Then you want to right click on your exe file over here. Head over to properties, then the compatibility tab. Make sure that you run this program as an administrator. You want to press apply and then OK. But still, if that doesn't fix your issue, then you want to delete this exe file right here. And then you want to go ahead and verify your game files once again. Then you want to go ahead and restart your PC. So guys, that's it for this video. If this video helped you solve your issue, then please make sure to leave a like. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.